Hello and welcome to the first video in my small Fusion 360 tutorial series. In this video I'll be going over design phase in different ways to design in Fusion 360. To start, take note of the coordinates over in the upper right hand area. This is not necessary, but it will make your life easier down the road if you always make sure to orient with your Y pointed upwards and your X pointed to the right. From here, we'll make sure we are in the Design Workspace. Okay, next thing, we're going to click Create Sketch and click the orange square representing this plane. Once we do that, you'll see this upper ribbon has changed. We have a Create section, a Modify section, and a Constraint section. Today we'll be mostly working in this Create section. So from here, you have multiple different types of items. You will also see letters next to some of the items. These are hotkeys. I highly suggest learning these. It'll make your life easier and your designs quicker. So right now I'm just going to make a small test piece. It's going to be a rectangle with a circle in the middle. So go up here. I'm going to click and click. I could have entered the dimensions, but I will show a neat feature in a minute. I want to get a circle. Now by going halfway down here, this will automatically pick a midpoint. And by going over here, I'll pick this midpoint. There. Now we have two midpoints. So, I'm going to go up here to Sketch Dimensions. I would like this 2 inches. So, input 2. Now, I would like this to be a square. So, I could just enter 2 here. But a smarter thing to do would be to click this 2. And it will input this dimension number into here. So at any given point, if I want to change this, I only have to change this one number, and this one will automatically change. Let's see, I'll set this circle to 1.75. Actually, yeah, let's go 1.5. I'll show another use for dimension right now. So I want this centered, so I will use this dimension number and divide by 2, so that if I ever adjust this, it will automatically center. Same thing for this. There we go. There's a quick design that we can now finish sketch and move forward into manufacturing. The next way is to import an SVG. I tend to download black and white images and use a free SVG converter online. I find that to be the most efficient way for myself, but you may find using Inkscape or any other program totally acceptable. So as with the first demonstration, make sure you're in the right plane. And go over and create sketch. Click the plane. So from here, we're going to go over to the Insert SVG. Click Insert from My Computer. I I'm going to insert this ice cream cone SVG I have. Click open, and here you can see it's already here. You can move this to where you would like. You can also scale this. So let's say I want it a little larger. There you go. Click OK. Now if you'd like to modify this, you can use what I showed in the first demonstration to add mounting holes, add hooks, whatever you would like. Once you have it where you'd like, click Finish Sketch and move on to manufacturing. Lastly, I'll show how to import a canvas. So as with the previous two, set your plane coordinates, click Create Sketch, select the plane. Cannot stress how important those first items are with making your life easier down the line. Okay, so now we're going to insert canvas, select an image, open. You have to select your plane again, like this. You can drag this wherever you'd like. Now you can set your scale. I'm going to say 3. And I'll go to 5. There we go. Scale doesn't matter too much because of what I'm going to do next. So this is really helpful. Say you have, in this case, like a flange. You take a picture of it, as true as possible, and you can get a reference dimension. So let's say I measure this, it's 4 inches from here to here. So now we can go over to canvases, go to the canvas, right click, and hit calibrate. From here I can pick points that I know. I believe I said 4 inches. There we go. Now this is scaled to what we know. And from there you can use what I showed in the previous demonstration and draw a sketch to show what is being represented. And then obviously I'm just going to make this very interpretive and not get too crazy with it. But you can then dimension it out, finish the sketch, and manufacture. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, this is going to be the first video in a small series. The next video I will be doing will be manufacturing. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.